Hi, this is Kim. We're featuring one pattern from Love Notions each day this week. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter. Welcome to my channel. If you're looking to take your sewing to the next level, this is the place to be. So as you know, we are doing one Love Notions pattern each day this week. It's in celebration of their birthday sale. As an ambassador, they've also given me the opportunity to give a pattern away. So every day this week we'll be featuring a different pattern, and if you just comment on the videos, as many comments as you make, one per day, but on 5 videos, if you comment on all 5 of them, you'll have 5 entries into the giveaway. I will choose a winner sometime this weekend, and I will announce the winner at our Sunday Sewing Bee live chat. All right, so today's pattern that I've chosen to talk about is the Vanguard Kit. Now, it's called a kit, and it's called a kit for a really good reason, because it's more than just a pattern. It's literally a wardrobe for a boy. It goes from sizes 2T to 14, so it literally covers, you know, an entire childhood for a boy, because after that I think you could probably go into small men's from 14. So it's just a wonderful pattern, but I'm going to do my usual categories that I do for pattern reviews and talk about each thing. This is the top from the Vanguard, one of them. This is one of the choices. Now, as you can see, this is great if you want to color block and leave yourself a space to personalize it. My little grandson is very much into things that crawl and creep. So this says bugs and hisses instead of hugs and kisses. He is 6 and he's a joy. This is a Christmas present. I've put my elf hat on already this year. So this is actually make number 1 of a whole bunch of things that I'm going to make this year. So anyway, this was really done with scraps, and the hood and the sleeves and the color blocking was scraps, and then less than a yard of cotton lycra. So super easy to throw together. I'll just give you a few details about this pattern because it's more than just this. There are a ton of choices with this pattern. So it's 2T to 14 boys. But I don't know why you couldn't make this in a pretty little frilly thing for a girl. But it is classified as a boy's pattern. We have to give them equal time. So there's many variations. There are long sleeves, short sleeves, a hood, no hood. There is a great pair of cargo joggers in this pattern, which is actually, I plan to make him some bull denim black joggers to go with this for his Christmas present. Now, usually I show you my grandkids modeling things, but I won't be doing that between now and December 25th because they can't see them, so they're not going to try them on and have pictures until after Christmas. So you're going to see a lot of things on a hanger from between now and then. As far as wearability goes, I could see this really just could be an entire wardrobe for school. If you make those joggers out of a nice rough denim, I mean, they can play in them and rough around in them, and they'll just wear like denim does, and it'll be great. Or you could dress it up. You could definitely make those joggers in a light khaki and make a nice top color block option maybe without the hood, and it'd be just a nice little dressy outfit for church. Now, as far as the ease of construction goes, this is, I'd say, an advanced beginner for the joggers. A beginner could handle the shirt options, all of them. They're all very easy. Just some basic techniques of sewing with knits. If you don't know about sewing knits or you're unsure, I do have a series on sewing with knits that we are just about to wrap up in one more video. So just go ahead and watch all of those. I cover neck bands, I cover you know, just handling the fabrics and different types of knits, and I just really tried to be really comprehensive. So this would be a great pattern to try those skills out on. Now, as far as sizing goes, this is about as inclusive as you could get for little boys. It goes 2T to 14, and that covers the gamut, I think. As far as fabric and materials, the top options are all for knits. You could use French terry if you want something a little warmer. This is all cotton lycra, and it's my favorite fabric for kids, especially because it's just breathable and it is not super heavy. That they run around and they get warm even in the wintertime. Kids get warm in their clothes because they're playing so hard. So I think cotton lycra is a really good choice for the top versions of this pattern. So for the pants, just could be any woven, like a khaki or a denim, twill, any kind of woven fabric that's durable for little boys' pants will work just fine. And the waistband is actually knit, so that is really comfortable for those little guys. I'm telling you, this is a pattern that is perfect. If you have a couple little boys or even just one, you could sew their entire wardrobe with one pattern. So if there's one pattern to get for little boys this week during the sale, it would be the Vanguard Kit, I think. I usually, in the summary, when I talk about patterns, I usually say, would I make this again? Well, the answer to that is, I definitely will make this again. I have grandsons that are 5 and 6, so we will get a lot of use out of that Vanguard Kit pattern for sure. So anyway, that is the pattern of the day that I'm featuring. I know it's a quick little video, but I'm going to be coming to you every day this week with another Love Notions pattern to put on your wish list for the sale. The sale runs now through Friday, and it is 40% off site-wide. And the thing you need to know about Love Notions is they do not do sales very often, and when they do, they're really good. And this is the last sale of the year. They do not do Black Friday, so don't wait thinking you might get a Black Friday sale. They don't do that. This is the last sale of the year. So those Christmas sews, you want to get your patterns this week. My affiliate link is down in the description. Don't forget to comment so you're going to have another entry into the drawing. Have a fantastic day. Happy sewing. Say it. Okay, thank you.